Student, this chapter is for class ninth. Today we are going to read a Beehive first lesson, that is the fun they had. This is a story in which we will read about the schools of future, how the children would take their education in future schools. In future schools, there will not be any book or there will not be a school building. Students will take their education through the mechanical teachers. What are the mechanical teachers here? These are the computer screens, means they will sit at home and take their education through computer screens by sitting at home. So let's start. This chapter is having two titles, that is Margie and Tommy. They were the neighborhood friends. Margie even wrote about it that in night in her diary. On the page headed meaning is title, means page heading was date of the day when she was writing. What was the date? 17 May 2157, means it was a time of year 2157. She wrote, today Tommy found a real book. It was very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a child, he who is here, he is a Margie's grandfather. When he was a little boy, his grandfather, means Margie's grandfather's grandfather, told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper, means in the time of Margie's grandfather's grandfather, that stories were printed on the papers. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. Crinkly meaning is which having many lines, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still, and on the books the words were still, means they were not moving. Instead of moving the way they were supposed to, means on the computer screen, as we can say that sometimes the words are moving on the screen, but on the books these were still, you know. And then when they turned back to the page and when they turned back to the previous page, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time, means the words remain same on their position. Gee, said Tommy, what a waste. Tommy told that these kinds of books are waste because the words remain same. When you are through with the book, throw meaning is when you finish reading the book, you just throw it away, means it's useless because the words remain same. I guess a television screen must have a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. But on the computer screen, on the television screen, there are many million books on single topic, and it can even provide many more books. I wouldn't throw it away, and it can't be thrown away. How we can compare that television screen and the other pages on books? That why they are the just trash? We can throw them away because on the television screen, on the computer screen, when we are opening the site one time, the words are different. When we will open it another time, then the word will, some information can be changed, some can be deleted, some can be added on the television screen, but in book it doesn't happen. Same with mine, said Margie, means same on the television screen of Margie, that she had many more books. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. She was of 11 years and Tommy was of 13 years, so obviously Tommy has seen more books than the Margie. She said. Then Margie asked from Tommy, where did you find this book? Then he said, in my house, in the attic. Attic is one kind of storeroom in which all things were kept. What is it about? Then Margie asked from him that what the topic is in the book. Then he said it is the topic of the book is school. Margie was scornful. Scornful meaning is she was um, afraid or irritated. School? What's there to write about school? I hate school. As she didn't like school, so she said that what is the need to write about the schools? Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. Why she hated school? because the mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography. As her mechanical teacher, as her computer teacher, always giving her test on the daily basis on the subject geography, and she had been doing worse and worse, means her test was getting bad and bad, until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. Who is county inspector here? County inspector is a person who repairs mechanical teacher. Means they thought that there is some kind of problem in the mechanical teacher, as Margie's all geography tests were getting bad and bad. He was a round little man, and now the that is a description about county inspector, that he was a round little man with a red face and whole box of tools with dials and wires. In his box there were tools which will be used to correct the mechanical teacher. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. When he came in the Margie's house to check her mechanical teacher what is a problem in it, then he gave smile to Margie and gave an apple to her, then took the teacher apart and then took teacher away from Margie. Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again. As he was checking the problem in the mechanical teacher, then he opened it, and then Margie hoped that he wouldn't know that how to join that all parts again. But he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again. But after an hour or more than an hour, he had joined mechanical teacher, and it was again become the same as the previous one, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all lessons were shown and the questions were asked. It will become same as the previous computer teacher. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated, the part Margie hated was the slot where she had to put homework and test paper. Now, the problem is that on the notebooks we are writing and giving to the teacher for checking. But how the mechanical teacher is giving test and receiving it back? The students are writing their tests on the slots, and slots are the that one kind of space which is given in the computer. They are writing on that. Okay, slot where she had to put homework and test paper, where she has to complete her homework and test paper. She always had to write them out in a punch code, and she was writing those those homeworks or papers in the punch code, which is understandable by the computer. They made her learn when she was 6 years old, and she had started studying like this way when she was of 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. And when she is sending her homework back to the mechanical teacher, then immediately she gets her result back. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. When he assembled the computer back, then he gave a smile and patted. Patted meaning is lightly slapping on Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault." Means in this, Margie's fault is not there that she is getting less marks in the geography test. Mrs. John is Margie's mother name. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Geared a little too quick meaning is that the geography sector was uh, faster than Margie's mental level. Means it's a level. Geography sector's level, geography questions level is more than the Margie's level. That she was smaller than the age of those chapter, or that those things happen sometimes, that it can occur sometimes in computers. I have slowed it up. Now I had decreased its speed, means it will show the chapters according to the age of 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of our progress is quite satisfactory. Means if we will see the previous result, which were chapter which she was doing worse, we can say those progress was quite satisfactory, means quite sufficient according to her age. And he patted Margie's head again. Then he again patted on Margie's head. Margie was disappointed, but Margie became very sad. Why she became sad? She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether, means he would take the teacher with him and take some time to do it correct. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month. And one time, Tommy's teacher was also having some kind of problem, and then county inspector had taken it away for almost a month because the history sector had blanked out completely because history sector was deleted from the computer. So, same way, Margie was also thinking that her teacher should also be taken away from her and she would get it back maybe in a month or after the month, and during this period she has no need to do study, but it hadn't happened. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" Then Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. "Because it's not our kind of school. Stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundred years of ago." He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully. "Centuries ago" means these this book is telling about the schools about centuries ago. Schools means 100 of years ago, which schools were there. Margie was hurt. "Well, I don't know what kind of schools they had all that time ago" means Margie had no knowledge about what kind of schools were there. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, "Anyway, they had a teacher." And when she saw the book, there was written about the teacher that they had a teacher as a human being.